Good evening, everyone. My name is Moriam, and today I want to talk about most important and powerful lesson of my life. That is, believe in yourself.
Okay, no problem. You don't need to.
There was a time when I was very shy.
Were you happy because of you were very shy? মানে তুমি তো খুশি ছিলে না, মানে একটু দুঃখিত প্রকাশ করতে হবে. There was a time I was very shy. You know, emotion. একটু অ্যাড করো. Same line বলো. There was a time. বলো.
There was a time when I was very shy because I could not even introduce myself in front of people, and
I used to think I'm not a good student. I'm not a good person. That's why I cannot speak. Okay, you can add this line. I মনে করতাম.
আচ্ছা.
Yes.
আবার বলি.
Okay, no.
ভুলে যাচ্ছি.
Take your time.
There was a time when I was very shy because I don't speak English with confidently in front of people. There was a time when I could not introduce myself in front of people in English. One day in my school, there was our teacher organized a program, and the anchor don't come there, and suddenly my teacher tell my name, and I don't understand what I do. Then I go stage, and I trying to speak, but I forgot my I forgot what I tell, and I trying, but I forgot half of the word. And after that
I realized. You realized something?
I don't speak in English with confidence because my many friends laugh at my
Yes, they were all laughing at me. They what?
They laugh at my pronunciation.
Okay, they laugh at my pronunciation.
And that night I decided learn English with confidence. And then I
Started learning English day by day.
Learning day by day, and that day I will decide I improve myself, and then I come in this academy, and here I learn step by step, and I understand.
I understood that English is not all about grammar. English is not all about vocabulary. It's all about confidence. Sometimes when we feel very much uncomfortable, very much afraid to speak, that's why we do not speak English. That's the realization I have got in this academy, because I have seen many students. They are very good students. They know many meaning of that many English words. They know grammar perfectly, but still they are not able to speak. And do you know why? Because they do not have the confidence.
Yes.
So speaking English is all about confidence. It doesn't matter how many words you know. It doesn't matter how many grammatical rules you know. Be kind of political speaker. এটা দেখবো না কি আমাদের চাল দিচ্ছে না ভাত দিচ্ছে, এটা দেখবো না আমাদের বিরিয়ানি দিচ্ছে কি ডিম ভাজা দিচ্ছে, আমরা ভোট তোমাকেই দেবো, এরকম ভাবে অ্যাটিটিউড নিয়ে কথা বলতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? সো ঠিক আছে, ওকে, ইউ শুড স্টার্ট. সো আই রিয়েলাইজ দ্যাট ইংলিশ ইজ নট অল অ্যাবাউট এখান থেকে শুরু করা.
That night I decided one day I will speak English with fluent and confidence, and then I came this academy, and I started learning step by step, and now I am better than my past. And
so your final message?
My final message is that uh, if you try again and again, you can do anything, and you don't become born with
Yes, you do not born with talent or fluency or confidence.
yes, and you don't become born with fluent and talented. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Take it. This is totally voice modulation training. So grammatical mistakes will be will be ignored, not avoided. Will be ignored. It doesn't matter grammatically whatever you're saying. Just you have to maintain the energy. The theme of this activity is to become more energetic, more confident. Here your grammar is not being tested. Here your accuracy is not being tested. Here your knowledge is being tested. তোমার knowledge test করা হচ্ছে না, তোমার grammar test করা হচ্ছে না, nothing is there. The only thing, even if you speak something useless, but still with voice modulation, with articulation, then you are most welcome. Okay, so our today's activity's purpose is so clear that this is confidence building activity. How to speak with confidence, not with zero grammatical mistakes. Confidence really matters. When you are confident, when you are energetic, you will practice more, and when you will practice more, you will become more accurate. When you are not confident, you will speak less. When you will speak less, you will be jobless, you will be homeless, you will be girlfriendless. That's also true. You have to speak to make someone your girlfriend. Okay, do you understand the value of speaking? In every area of our life, it's all about how much you speak. If you do not speak, you will be Farhan Akhtar, who will write poems. I'm talking about Farhan Akhtar. Do you know who is Farhan Akhtar? No, he's a Farhan. He's a Farhan Malik. I'm talking about Farhan Akhtar. No, Farhan Akhtar is one of the renowned, poet. He wrote so many, poems. So why he wrote? Why he writes? Because he speaks less. That's why he writes more. That's a simple equation. That is a simple equation you have to understand. Okay?
Because in her voice is writing.
Yes. He expressed his thoughts, his ideas in writing. That's why he speaks less. So Farhan, do you write anything?
No.
So how do you express yourself? Do you dance? So how do you express? So one way or another, you have to express yourself. Okay? Blog.
Yes, sir.
Are you a blogger?
No.
He's saying sometimes. Okay, part-time job.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good business. Man, occasional blogger. Okay, that's good. Very true. So act like you are a vlogger, and you are vlogging the entire class. I will give you the camera, this stand, and you have to create a vlog like video. Hello guys, we are in the SM Spoken English Academy and conducting public speaking.
This is our sad.
This is our sir. Okay, he is speaking a lot of things, but we don't care what he is speaking. Okay, we will do our own thing. Okay, this is how we have to make it. Okay, chalo. Chalo next. Ashraful, you are becoming so serious. Chalo, please come on the stage. So, our most serious student, come on the stage. Ashraful.